All right, Dad, what are we doing to Blue today?
I think we're going to do the exhaust.
He says the exhaust. Let's see how quick we can get it done. Y'all hear that? Quality, spelled with a C.
Pretty though.
Yeah, it is pretty. It's a straight through muffler with no packing inside.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, that sounds deeper already. So I'd say overall the piping quality is pretty good. What do you think?
I think it is.
Muffler seems shiny and pretty. A little hollow, but it'll sound good. So let's get to the install. So we're gonna have to eliminate this, however it's not gonna unbolt, that's for sure. So stay tuned for that one. Muffler. Ding. What do you think? Sounds good, looks good. Install was pretty easy overall. I'd say I'm happy with it. Stick around to see what's next on the list for Blue's revival. Thanks for watching.